मोहब्बत करनी है, हमने मोहब्बत की है, इस दिल के अलावा किसी से भी ना हमने इजाजत ली है। हुनर है ये भी इश्क का, किसी किसी को आता है, जान लुटा के दुश्मन की हमने हिफाजत की है। बात करते हैं हजारों, है तजुर्बा हमें यारों, बात करते हैं हजारों, है तजुर्बा हमें यारों। ऐसी है बांध लूं मुझ पे वो झूमे जो पठान मेरी जान, महफिल ही लुट जाए, दे दे जो जुबान मेरी जान, उस पे मर मिट जाए। जो पठान मेरी जान, महफिल ही लुट जाए, दे जो जुबान मेरी जान, उस पे मर मिट जाए। उड़ता फिरता दिल तो परिंदा है, उड़ता फिरता सर पे धुन की सवार है, हंगामा बरकरार है, फुर्सत से आज तो हमें फरमाना प्यार व्यार है।
बैठे बैठे क्या करें, अब करना है कुछ काम,
और म्यूजिक म्यूजिक स्टार्ट करो भाई, लेके 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 प्रभु का नाम। और म्यूजिक म्यूजिक स्टार्ट करो भाई, लेके 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 प्रभु का नाम, लेके प्रभु का नाम, नाम 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 नाम, लेके प्रभु का नाम, नाम 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 नाम, लेके प्रभु का नाम। हक है हमको कुछ आज कर ले, दुनिया चाहे एतराज कर ले। बिगड़े ज्यादा सुधरे हुए कम, अब तोड़ेंगे हर कायदा हम, बोझ नहीं शाम से कल मिलो काम से। अभी तो हम देख लो बिल्कुल गए, के घर के सारे रास्ते भूल गए, वो जो भी हमें देखे वो कहता रहे कि आज शेर खुल गए। घर के रास्ते भूल गए, अब तो हम बिल्कुल गए, आए ऐसी चौड़ में कि जो भी हमें देखे वो कहता रहे कि आज शेर खुल गए। कि आज शेर खुल गए।
थोड़ी फुर्सत भी मेरी जान कभी बाहों को दीजिए, थोड़ी फुर्सत भी मेरी जान कभी बाहों को दीजिए। आज की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों से लीजिए। की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों से लीजिए वक्त बर्बाद न बिन बात की बातों में कीजिए वक्त बर्बाद न बिन बात की बातों में कीजिए आज की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों से लीजिए आज की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों से लीजिए दिलबर की आंखों का दीदार ना किया क्या खाक वो जिया जिसने प्यार ना किया दिलबर की आंखों का दीदार ना किया क्या खाक वो जिया जिसने प्यार ना किया ना किया ना किया जिसने प्यार ना किया क्या किया क्या किया क्या किया जिसने प्यार ना किया मुझे लगे ना नजरिया मैंने ओढ़ ली चुनरिया मुझे लगे ना नजरिया ओढ़ ली चुनरिया मेरा ही दीवाना मेरे दिल के फिदाए बनूंगी मैं दुल्हनिया मेरा ही दीवाना मेरे दिल के फिदाए बनूंगी मैं दुल्हनिया
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, we are back at the closing ceremony of JPL 2025, powered by Classic Carpets and co-powered by PGI Data. That was a wonderful performance. And keeping in mind that... Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Thank you. So the dance group is actually Indonesian and they performed for us on Hindi songs. So that's really commendable. Thank you for the wonderful performance, girls. Everybody definitely enjoyed it. So coming back to our event, let's move ahead by welcoming our lovely guests for this evening. So we warmly welcome Mr. Willy Norana. I request Mr. Danesh Shetty to step forward and hand the flower bouquet to Mr. Willy. Thank you so much for coming, sir. We are so happy to have you here. Now we have Mr. Sanjeev Bhalla. I request Mr. Sampath Kumar to please hand him the bouquet. Thank you for coming, sir. It's lovely to have you here. I welcome Mr. Kaustubh Roy. And I call Mr. Sukesh Shetty to please hand the bouquet to him. Thank you so much for coming, sir. The winning team is not clapping, huh? Not happy? Now I welcome Mr. Hari Krishan Bedi. And I request Mr. Nandan to please step forward and hand him the bouquet. Mr. Nandan, please step forward and hand him the bouquet. And sir has also played a very good game, sir. Thank you so much for your participation. Now I welcome Mr. Suresh Subramanian. I request Mr. Sandesh to step forward and hand him the bouquet. Now I welcome our guest, Mr. Chetan Shetty. Thank you so much for coming, sir. I would request Mr. Padmakar Surve to come ahead and hand him the bouquet. Bouquet. Welcoming Mr. Rajendra Jatt. Thank you so much for coming. So I would request Mr. Deepak to hand over the bouquet to him. Mr. Deepak. Now I would like to invite Sir Chandrasekhar Rajalingam, sir. And request Mr. Kiruba Shankar to hand over the bouquet to him. Now I'd like to invite Mr. Anurag. Thank you so much, and that was a lovely commentary also. I'd like to call Mr. Prabhat to hand over the bouquet to him. Now I welcome Mr. Suren. Thank you so much for coming, sir. I would request Mr. Kabir Syed to hand over the bouquet to him. Okay. Is Mr. Vijay here? Our guest, Mr. Vijay. I would request Mr. Satish to please come forward. Mr. Satish. Mr. Satish. Sir. And I'd request Mr. Abhijit Hegde to please hand the bouquet to him. Request Mr. Sukesh Shetty to please come forward. He's also one of our guests this evening. And I request Mr. Anirudh Hegde to hand over the bouquet to him. Our chief guest, Mr. Abhiram Singh Yadav. He's the chairman of Cricket Board, and Mr. Albert couldn't be here with us today for this event, but they have sent their best wishes Sampat Kumar on behalf of the organizing committee of JPL to open the ceremony.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the organizing committee, I welcome you all to the award ceremony of JPL 2025. Extending the warmest welcome to our esteemed guests who have taken out time in their busy schedules to join us today. I also welcome our viewers online and offline. It has been a great 2 days of cricket that has been played in this ground. Thank you for joining, everyone. And now we have reached the finale event. All ends are new beginnings. Let's begin the award giving and appreciation ceremony with the enthusiasm and energy as our boys have played their matches. Once again, a warm welcome to everyone.
That was a smooth opening speech, just like your opening at the cricket ground. And this is not enough applause for the amount of hard work you'll have put on the ground. Yeah, come on, boys. A little more clapping. So before we move on to the most awaited part of the evening, which is the award giving ceremony, I would like to begin with appreciation towards our sponsors and our guests, without whom this event was absolutely not possible, along with definitely our terrific 8 teams. So I would like to invite Mr. Dinesh Shetty on the dais to present the memento to Mr. William Noronha. A small token of appreciation and our gratefulness for your presence, your encouragement and your support. Mr. Kaustubh Roy. A small way of JPL organizing committee saying thank you to you, sir. Hello, Mr. Sanjeev Bhalla. He's representing the KNS. Thank you so much, sir, for your support and encouragement. Mr. Hari Kishan Bedi. He is representing the Classic Carpets. This event has been powered by Classic Carpets. Ladies and gentlemen, we are all here because they chose to be here. Thank you so much. Now I'd like to call Mr. Sukesh Shetty. Anna, please come ahead.
Aku bakal flight berjam-jam nih buat gigs berikutnya.
Thank you so
Jadi
much for your
hiburan mesti
relentless
ready.
support.
Biar pas nggak ada sinyal nggak bete,
Now
aku
I would
dengerin
like to
playlist
invite
offline backup
Mr.
pakai Spotify
Anurag
Premium. Isinya
from
lagu
Bank
yang
of
aku
India,
suka dan langsung
Indonesia.
muncul
Thank you
pas
so
airplane
much
mode. Gak perlu download,
for
jadi
your
nggak ngabisin memori
encouragement,
sama kota.
enthusiasm and
Rasain
support.
enaknya ditemenin Spotify sekarang.
Satu domba.
Now I'd like to
Dua
hear from our guests
domba.
their experience about JPL and what they have to say about the event.
350
Since this was once one of its kind cricket event in Jakarta and it's very evident that everyone has enjoyed it. Yes or no?
Lagu kesukaanmu aja.
All of
Pakai
us
Spotify
majorly come
Premium.
from a country where cricket
Nonton
is
musik video
much,
dengan
much more
Spotify
than just a
Premium.
game.
Makin enak
And we
kan?
all hope
Cobain
and pray that
sekarang.
Jakarta in Indonesia is also inspired and encouraged to play good cricket. So I would request Mr. Suresh Subramanian to please say a few words. So.
They come here in a different avatar. So a lot of them hitting sixes, a lot of big sixes. I especially like the fielding on the boundary. Hari, I think. Really good. Overall, beautifully organized tournament. Your coverage is the efforts you've taken to invite so many people. I just wish that this becomes a regular event and it becomes even bigger. Wishing you all the best. And I hope to come next time. Maybe I get a chance to umpire.
Looking forward to seeing you next year, sir. Thank you so much. Now I request Mr. William Morana to please share his experience and say a few words.
Many congratulations to both the teams. I watched the semi-finals, the semi-finals to watch, and the finals would have been a lot closer. Nevertheless, Udupi, you played really well, and powerhouse, you also deserve to win. Kiruba, I saw his HD in the semi-finals, it was great. But as you know, cricket is a great leveler. You were in the finals nonetheless. You won the big one. This is King of Jakarta Premier League. Different tournament, the tennis ball tournament. We would like to support this tournament year after year, and we would like to see this happening next year. Fantastic arrangements, something for the JCA to learn from this. I think our next Sixes tournament will have probably a live coverage just as we saw here, so something for us to learn from this. And thank you very much for having us. It was great.
Thank you, sir. Your encouragement and support is definitely boosting our morale for the next year. Now I would request Mr. Chetan Shetty to please step forward and share his experience, share a few words with us.
Thank you so much, guys, for inviting the guests. I think a good cricket tournament is possible when everybody involved has a lot of passion. And there was no shortfall of any passion today. Whether it is the organizing team, whether it is the playing team, winners and losers will keep happening. That's perfectly fine. But I would really like the sponsors, without which this tournament wouldn't have been possible. The organizing committee who got the live coverage. It was fantastic. You know, I was watching this tournament on YouTube yesterday. I couldn't come, but I think it was very well organized. The weather god was very happy too. Not very hot, not raining, but perfect condition. The field looked absolutely wonderful. It looked as if this match is being played in London or South Africa or somewhere. So I think overall a very good thing that you guys have done. 3 cheers to all of you and congrats once again.
Thank you for your words, Mr. Chetan Shetty. And as he said, the weather was very good. So yesterday someone said कि मौसम बहुत अच्छा है. So one of the umpires said हमसे पूछिए मौसम कितना अच्छा है. So one round of applause to our umpires who were standing in that heat and gave such a lovely judgment for every match. And now I would request Mr. Sampat Kumar to award our umpires who have been so helpful, without whom definitely the game would not be possible. Mr. Fahim. Ladies and gentlemen, our umpires deserve more encouragement and support. Mr. Fahim Bhatt. Mr. Sajid. and I'd request Mr. Danesh Shetty to please present a token of appreciation to our streaming partners. Mr. Tawfiq, please step forward. Amazing. Everyone has enjoyed the match. And also there has been one more man with his relentless support for us, Mr. Sudarman Shetty. He couldn't be here today with us, but he sent his support and encouragement. So sending him a big thank you from our end. Let's continue with listening a little bit of what our guests have to say for us. So now I would request Mr. Kaustubh Roy to share his views. Please. He was here at the opening as well. Your support really means a lot to us, sir.
I'll keep it short because I spoke yesterday as well. But hats off to the organizers. I actually didn't personally expect it to be of this grand, and honored to be part of this. The semi-finals and finals blew me off. I mean, I wasn't on the ground, but I was watching it at home. I came and told Kiruba, "Are you a human being or what? 16 sixes." It's amazing. And the finals was again nail biting. I mean, with Sampath and all, we know they are the power machines, so it was really exciting to watch, really exciting to be a spectator for a change. So that's all, and all the best, and see you guys next year.
We surely expect to see you too, sir, and definitely there was a nail-biting finals and semi-finals as well. Now I'd request Mr. Sanjeev Bhalla to please step forward and share a few words with us.
Sekarang
I
aku tuh
will not
nunggu
bore you to
banget hari
death,
Senin.
but I guess
Soalnya
this
aku bisa
type of
nemuin
an
Music
event,
Hidden Gem
it
di
shows the
Discover
unity
Wiki.
and diversity of
Lagunya
India.
tuh diupdate
And
tiap
it shows that we
Senin.
truly are a
Dengerin
fun
sambil
big
ngulik
family.
lagu,
So
kayaknya
a
asik
really,
ya.
really amazing
Spotify
experience.
siap
Thank you.
nemenin kamu ngapain aja. Coba sekarang.
Thank you so much. I'd like to request Sir Chandru to please come and share a few words with us, sir.
Lagi ngebut ngerjain tugas di perpustakaan?
Sir, you have a
Atau
very big
lagi nyicil
fan
to-do list?
following.
Musik kamu
They're
harus
cheering
bisa
before you
kerja
came.
sekeras kamu juga. Dengan Spotify Premium, playlist kamu bakal terus jalan tanpa iklan, bisa offline, dan kualitas suara jernih banget. Dan buat kamu yang masih jadi mahasiswa, ada penawaran spesial khusus. Tap bannernya buat info lengkapnya.
taken to the next level, I would say, especially tennis ball tournament. As Billy said, the live coverage was awesome, and really looking forward to implementing the maybe next JCA with the acceptance of Billy. I would thank to the organizers, arranged it very well. Sorry to say, being we are also one of the organizers, we know how painful arrange any events. So the big hats off to Danesh. Guys, one thing I would like to tell you here, any event when you do, especially the cricket here, the father of cricket, I would say JCA, basically. The origin comes from JCA, but these guys are really invited the whole JCA team and us, all the seniors, who are the roots and seeds of the cricket in Indonesia. So they are respected a lot. I really appreciate that, because now suddenly someone comes and try to be a captain of the ship, but they should know where the root comes from. So I really, in this particular part, I appreciate Danesh and team. They really honored the JCA and other cricket guys. So well done, guys. I would say very happy to see everyone here very happy, especially end of the year. I would say all people are taking here a very cherished moment, and let's welcome 2026. Happy New Year, everyone. Thank you. Sorry, by the way, congrats to the power of team, the winners and the runners. They're going to make an episode of me. I forgot that. Sorry. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, and you're definitely very, very correct. With this JPL, we are ending 2025 on a very enthusiastic note. So now for the most awaited part, for the final winning match. Who is the man of the match? Let's hear the winning team say. Make some more noise, boys. They are absolutely correct. Mr. Shakti, you are the man of the match, leading your team to victory. I would request Mr. Satya to please step forward to hand him the match medal. Sir.
Hello.
Mr. Satya, please step forward to hand him the man of the match medal. Here. Sir, congratulations.
Vai mulher, rebolando pros bandidos. Vai fazendo macetinho, cabuceta pros amigos. Então vai botando a mão no chão, jogando a chota pro alto. Vai botando a mão no chão, jogando a chota pro alto.
So this was just the final match. But we had so many matches across 2 days. So we have a best bowler, best batsman and man of the series. So ladies and gentlemen, we have our viewers as well as our players here. Who do you think has bowled the deadly balls in the 2 days? Who is the best bowler of JPL 2025? I hear Raj. Anyone else? Someone says Sampath. Someone says Prabhat. Someone says Nanda. Someone says Sandesh. Oh my god, so many contenders. But here, ladies and gentlemen, JPL 2025, the best bowler goes to Mr. Raj. Please step forward, sir. Oh, I see he's from the winning team. Congratulations, sir. This picture is definitely going to go up on the many WhatsApp statuses tonight. Congratulations, Mr. Raj. Now, ladies and gentlemen, who do you think is the best batsman for these 2 days? Kirubana? Do you think it's Kirubana? Mr. Kirubashankar, I can hear a lot of people saying Paddy. Oh, that's for Padmakar Surve. Anyone else? So this is definitely one-sided. We definitely saw a lot of sixes being showered here and there. But the best batsman goes to Mr. Padmakar Surve. He definitely has a lot of fan following. Undoubtedly has won it. Mr. Padmakar Surve, please. वो कह रहे हैं किसी को मालूम नहीं है, लेकिन आपके शॉट सबको पता है. Okay, so Mr. Paddy here for you, winning the best batsman of JPL 2025. Definitely, definitely. But रुकिए, अभी पिक्चर बाकी है. ये तो बस बॉलर और बैट्समैन हुए हैं. मैन ऑफ द सीरीज का क्या? Who says Kabir Anna? We have one Kirubana, one Kabir Anna. Anyone else? Sampath Anna, okay. Nanda, okay. Ashraf. Many, many contenders here. Guess, what do you think? Ashraf, okay. So ladies and gentlemen, dil tham ke rakhiye. The man of the series once again goes to Mr. Paddy. Padmakar Surve has won 2 trophies. अब पब्लिक डिमांड पे ग्राउंड में धुरंधर और सुल्तान बनने वाले डर के भाग गए हैं स्पीच से. मिस्टर पद्माकर सुर्वे, आपको आना ही पड़ेगा, 2 शब्द बोलने ही पड़ेंगे.
so much. Especially, I would like to thank Dhanesh for organizing this tournament. It was good. We enjoyed, and we hope. और नज़दीक क्या? We hope for more tournaments like this in future, and the support what we are getting from other teams, also from teammates, it's so nice, so happy.
What do you think? How was the semi-finals match? Sir, come on. How was the semi-finals match? What went wrong?
The way Kirua played, you don't have anything else to say, right? The only person you can highlight is the guy who's standing there.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Kiruba Shankar.
Superbly played. The shots what I have seen, the guy who has not played the tennis cricket since so long time, right? The best I can say in Indonesia, I rate him, right? Bro, cheers, bro. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to call Mr. Suresh here to award the fighters, the champions, the first runner-up for this JPL 2025 Udupi Coastals. The boys played well. Come on, boys. Your well-earned trophy. His team following him, the captain himself, Mr. Sampath Kumar. They have won the first runners-up. Team, please join your captain on stage. Come on, make some noise. Well deserved, boys, well deserved. Let's hear it for Udupi Coastals. Hooray! 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 Good job, boys, good job. Well played, well played. Now I would request Mr. Willie to please step forward to award the winners. The most scary, ferocious superstar players. The winning team. Powerhouse 11. Calling their captain and the team forward. Come on, boys. Make some noise for the winners. The captain pushing his team forward like a true leader. Sir. That's very, very less noise for the winners. Ladies and come on, where is your hooting? Very well played, boys. That was indeed an amazing game to watch. Sollu. Now I would request Mr. Srini, the captain, to please step forward for a few words. Srini Anna, please, vanga. Sir, please come here. Your team has played so well, sir. Everybody has enjoyed. Century in your 8 overs match. What do you have to say, sir? Congratulations.
So it's every one person is important in the team. That's what the team matters is. So thank you so much, and thank you so much for the Powers having me as a captain.
Definitely, sir. Your team has played amazing. That one little catch. Now, let's call upon Mr. Sampath Kumar, the captain of the champions, to say a few words. Runner-up.
Thanks again, Vaitu. Yeah, again, as Roy said, like Chetan said, winning and losing is always there. It's a good game of cricket that we played for the last 2 days. And thanks everyone for joining and playing as well. It has playing against 8 teams and coming to finals. And okay, it's okay to lose. I mean, it's not okay to lose, but it is, you know, the fight that we gave, the effort that we put in the last 2 days, right? So chin up, boys. We'll come back strong in the next year, and really have to thank Danish for organizing everything possible from his end. We did support, but then one man who did most of the things took everything on his shoulders and did everything, and like a big round of applause for Danish Shetty.
Thank you, Captain Sampath Kumar. And now, as we near the end of the ceremony, yes, sir, yes. So, very much deserved, the man whose brainchild JPL 2025 was, whose idea, direction, execution, hard work has made this spectacular event possible. The one-man army, the man himself, Mr. Danesh Shetty, everyone, without whom JPL 2025 was absolutely impossible. Mr. Danesh Shetty, I would like to request you to please come here and give the vote of thanks. Congratulations and kudos.
Thank you. Mainly, I would like to thank you, all of our guests present here. Willy Bhai, Suresh Bhai, all of you. Like, you made this day special. And also, I would like to thank all the teams who really supported to make this JPL 2025 successful. I have got support from each and every one, which I really need to appreciate. And I really need to take one more name, one more special name here is our Abhijit Hegde. He supported me to make this very successful. Sampath Kumar, he was always there. Shukesh, Nandan, Satya Bhai. We all planned together, we all executed together. I'm very happy to say that, you know, this season got very successful. And, you know, and also I would like to thank Pa Abhiram. When I contacted him, he said, please do it. We are there. He couldn't come today. I really thank him. And special thanks to Taufik TV. You had made amazing this event. We have not expected to have so much clarity on video. So much. This is the first time they are streaming it for cricket. I really thank each and every one to make this event very successful. I would like to finally take our sponsor's name. This tournament, Jakarta Premier League 2025, powered by Classic Carpet, co-powered by PGI Data. Our proud sponsors, PT Gokak Indonesia, Udupi by Ratna Forever Group, Spice. Sorry.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, Spice Mystery and Mystery Launch, Finsure, Nitto Infotic, JBR Jayata Consulting, Suvarna Kannada Sangha Indonesia, Bank of India Indonesia. I would really thank every sponsor for supporting us. Thank you guys. Congratulations to Powerhouse 11. Very congratulations to Udupi Coastals. All teams played well. Thank you very much. We are ceremony here. Thanks. Thanks everyone.
Hello. That is us signing off JPL 2025 until we meet again, ladies and gentlemen. That were a great 2 days of amazing cricket. Congratulations to everyone.
கொந்தளிக்கும் சுனாமியே உண்டாச்சு மணிக்கா வெளுத்தி எதிர்ப்பா எனர்ஜி தலைய சுத்த வைக்கும் சுறாவலி பொண்ணாச்சு பட்டன்னு பார்த்தாலே பல்ஸ் தும்பாடி கொட்டுபா மீனெல்லாம் கூத்தாடுமே இரவ கலராக்கும் ஜலேபி லேடி சால்ட்டும் நான் தொட்டா ஸ்வீட் ஆகுமே ஒரசாம பத்திக்கப்பா ஒதட்டோரம் தித்திக்கப்பா இருக்காத ஒத்தையில ஒத்தையில ஒரு வாட்டி சந்திக்கப்பா மயங்காட்டி கண்டிக்கப்பா தயங்காத மெத்தையில மெத்தையில சாபு நேரத்தில் ஒலம்பி அழுவாத பூஜா ஆட்டத்தில் இன்னும் சொன்னானா தொல்ல வறுமை கோலத்தில் நேர்மை பார்க்காத இளமை காலத்தில் டீசன்சி நல்லா இல்ல நிலவ செவப்பாக்கும் தஞ்சாவூர் காரி மனச ரெண்டாக்கி வர வாக்கில்ல இரும்ப கரும்பாக்கும் பப்பாளி லாரி பாஷா கைப்பட்டு தோணமல்ல
வா வா ஊது ஊது அட வாங்க மோனிகா
തിരിച്ച് വന്നല്ലേ തിരിക്ക വിട്ടാൻ വന്നല്ലേ തിരുത്തി വയ്ക്കാൻ വന്നല്ലേ തിട്ടം കൊണ്ടല്ലേ ചേട്ടൻ വന്നല്ലേ ചേട്ട ചെയ്യാ വന്നല്ലേ പേട്ട തുള്ളാൻ വന്നല്ലേ വേട്ടയനല്ലേ